more techniques to share with everyone when it comes to working with line items in Excel for import back into DESTINI Data Manager. I like to select on row 3 and turn on filter. And I intentionally do this in the data tab and select on filter. Now, I can go ahead, as an example, if I wanted to filter on some data, say like master format level 3, maybe I only want to work on the concrete. So a cool technique would be simply toggle off concrete for just a moment, select on OK, and now everything else is still on. By selecting row 4 and then intentionally holding down Shift and Control, and then also the arrow key to the bottom, we've selected on all line items currently in this Excel file. Right mouse button click and then delete the rows, and what remains is simply Division 3 items. And go ahead and clear the filter real quick, and we can see that here is all of our Division 3. Of course, you can also check that again. We're to go ahead and look at the filter. It's all Division 3. I highly recommend this because now, if you would like an individual on your team crowdsource the costing of all of your Division 3 work, you can just do a save as of this, and I would make sure that you save just the Division 3 work, so you could use a blank spreadsheet from Data Manager, lift all this content out to the line items tab in that blank workbook, and then have folks edit just that one. And just to prove this out, if you're crowdsourcing, you could just go ahead and see that we have 261 line items that would need some sort of update or at least review for Division 3.